The next and
We take all of your enterprise infrastructure components, such as endpoints and applications, network infrastructure, and accessories, and manage them across all facets of the lifecycle, from purchasing through securing and maintaining. We integrate all of your best-of-breed solutions. You likely have one or more, probably more, of these or similar industry standard solutions already installed in your organization. Our goal is not to rip and replace. Our goal is to take all of those and, through our REST API model, bring all of that data into one place where we can reconcile and aggregate it for actionable insights. We serve as an overlay upon which we can build applications, such as offboarding or separation to recovery processes, procurement, planning to procure, and compliance, scope to evidence. Today, we're going to focus on the procurement aspect, particularly one specific application of the procurement process with Oomnitza. We start with the planning phase. These 5 phases represent stages that every organization deals with when outfitting the organization with equipment, whether it be annual budgets, quarterly forecast, or even monthly procurement to meet the demands of your user population. What falls under each phase might differ from organization to organization, and in fact, it probably will. However, in some form or fashion, they all show up for every enterprise. Planning involves setting policies, rules, and schedules around how and when to purchase, as well as considerations for end-of-life, refreshes, and loaners. Forecasting is the next phase, where you assess your current capacity. How are you doing? Do you have enough inventory? What does your headcount forecast look like for the next week, month, quarter, 6 months, or year? Do you have enough data to understand what you need to do next? Empowerment is the next step. With a tool like Oomnitza, you can interact with your user population and empower them. As you go through the refresh stage, you'll avoid a blind, "I'll just buy this and force it on my users" approach. You can still do that if you want, but if you wish to engage your users with some degree of freedom, such as choosing between Windows and Mac or addressing underpowered machines, you can give them the opportunity in an automated fashion. The data you receive back is a structured object, not just a loose ticket with text that someone has to manually review. You can work with this object in an automated fashion. The next phase is procurement, which involves working with your procurement team to right-size purchases. This allows you to better forecast what you'll be buying, whether on a monthly, quarterly, or biannual basis, enabling your procurement teams to negotiate better deals with your suppliers, whether they are VARs or OEMs. In the final stage, reconciliation, we help you automate the return and recovery of end-of-life assets, break-fix items, and loaners. This is essential for maintaining a clear view of your inventory across the enterprise. It also integrates with standard fixed asset management systems like Oracle's NetSuite to update financial information for your CFO.